Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to discuss about different views of forecast in Odoo 40. Scheduling and forecasting task is another way to manage projects. So we can see project planning in different views like Gant view, Listview, pivot view. So it shows you the progress of your project and its relatable task. So let's open project module and here in the dashboard we can see the created projects. So here we can find the option to add project plannings. So before that we have to enable option in configuration settings, that is planning. So that feature is found under the section time management, that is used to plan resource allocation across projects and tasks and estimate deadlines more accurately. Okay, so by clicking on planning we can plan project. So just close this project so we can add plannings for all project. So you can see the plannings for created for all projects, and you can see the employee's name for which the tasks are assigned, and you can see the shifts and the role of each employee. So this is shown according to week. So we can see the project plannings day wise, month wise, year wise too, and we can send it the schedule to employees. Okay, so from here we can add new plannings. So assign tasks to employees and we can save it. And by clicking on this arrow mark, we can see the planning for next day, and also we can see the planning for today. And it's also possible to filter this project planning by OpenShift, my team, published, then future plannings, past plannings can be seen, and also it can be grouped by role, project, task, parent task, department, employee, and so this is the CAM view of project planning. We also have list view for our project planning, which is grouped by, you can see this already grouped, and we also have pivot view. So you can select measures from here, and it is possible to insert this project planning to spreadsheet by clicking this button. So you can insert to a new spreadsheet or existing spreadsheet. So that's all about different views of forecast in Odoo 14.
If you're interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to odoo@cybrosys.com.